In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn a $25 reward from Payoneer. If you're looking to make a little extra cash just by leveraging your existing network, then you're in the right place. Payoneer has a fantastic referral program that allows you to earn rewards by inviting others to join the platform. Let's dive in and see how you can get started. First, you'll want to log in to your Payoneer account. Once you're on your homepage, you should see a sidebar on the left. It's your control panel where you manage everything related to your account. Here, you'll want to look for the option labeled Manage. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a new screen where you can access various settings and options related to your account activities. Next, you're going to click on Businesses You Work With. This section allows you to see all the businesses you have connected with through Payoneer. It's an easy way to keep track of who you're dealing with financially. However, for the purpose of earning your reward, you're going to focus on the Refer Your Network option, which you'll find right here in this section. Click on that. Now, here's the exciting part. Once you click on Refer Your Network, you'll be taken to a page that provides you with all the information you need to invite your friends or business contacts. Payoneer makes it super easy to refer others by providing you with a unique referral link. You can share this link with anyone you think would benefit from using Payoneer. Whether it's friends, colleagues, or fellow freelancers, anyone who signs up using your link can help you earn that reward. The final step is where the magic happens. After your referral signs up and sends a total of $30,000 USD, excluding any funds they might send to other Payoneer accounts, you'll both receive a $25 reward. It's a win-win situation. This means you not only get to help others discover a valuable financial tool, but also get rewarded for it. And there you have it. Earning a $25 reward from Payoneer is straightforward and can be a fun way to engage with your network while benefiting financially. Just remember to encourage your referrals to reach the $30,000 USD threshold to ensure you both receive the reward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Payoneer's support team is always there to help. Thanks for watching, and happy earning!